Hi, welcome to How to Repair. This fault diagnostic guide is on a Balay washing machine that will not spin. There are three possibilities to this fault. The first is you could have a blockage in the machine, therefore the machine is still full of water and unable to go into the spin cycle. The second fault is you may have a motor fault. Now this could be something simple like a set of brushes needing to be replaced, or you may need to replace the motor. The third fault is it possibly could be a wiring harness fault, or one of the printed circuit boards have stopped working correctly. You can find all these tutorials at our website, or you can click on the video to the left to show you how to change the brushes, or the video on the right to show you how to unblock the machine. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to subscribe to our channel, or join us at Facebook through our website. Thanks again for watching.